Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Dr. Amira Zakrit from Fayza Arabic Centre. I'm here to help my students and the parents and also anybody who would like to know how we use Quizlet with our students to have a look how do we use it or how can Quizlet help our students to learn Arabic. Now we have in Fayza Arabic Center we have developed lots of sets in Quizlet for different themes based on what course the student is doing and if the student is working for a specific, taking a specific degree or a certificate or anything, or just a general one. So based on the course, he or she will be given access to the suitable sets. But the question is, how can we use this or that set to improve our vocabulary? So random, now this is one of the sets that we use in the platform I Start Arabic Level Beginner 1. And if we go to toys, al-al'ab, now this is one of the sets for this course. And we can see here that we have 48 cards, flashcards, and this is the set for the toys, al-al'ab. Then we can do either just have a quick go through the cards by reading every card, Sayyara, and clicking on the card so that we can have the translation at the back card, and then moving to the following card and so on and so forth till we finish all the 48. Or we can go to the mode of flashcards, and with which we're going to have a better view of the cards, as we're going to see now, as you can see here at card. And if we click, we're going to have the word in Arabic, Sayyara. If we click here, Sayyara, the word is going to be read in Arabic. And if we have the English, and we ask for help with the pronunciation, also we're going to have this. We can click on this star to mark this card as one of the things that we would like to go back to or anything like that. So we can just play them to start moving one by one. We can shuffle. There are lots of all that with I can just choose the starred ones that I've started to work on instead of working on all the cards. Okay, fine. What about if I finished? Now I'm going back to the main page for the set. Now, before moving on to more things to be done, we have here all the list of the cards, Arabic, English, and at the side here we have the help with the voice, and we have other stars that can help us to mark the ones that we need to focus on. The sets are going to help us also by telling me that I haven't studied these are the ones that I haven't studied, while I have already now studied only those 4 ones. All right, now I have studied what I need to do. Then there are lots of features that the student can spend fun time doing Arabic and working on his vocabulary or her vocabulary. So the learn model, I can work. This is one of the things that I can do now. Plain, and I need to choose the correct answer. Is it hafila? Is it sayyara? Is it madha? Is it ta'ira? So I need to select the correct form here. Okay, and we have options again all the time. The options is asking me whether to start with the Arabic. The answer should be in Arabic or in English, and should I work on all the cards or only the start ones, which will help me a lot to focus on what I need to do. All right, I'm finished with the learn mood. Now I can do the writing one in which I can have a word to write, spell, all these are different like games that can be done. I would like to show you match. Match is really fun time to play with or to study with, and start a game. It's a game, so you can have now, and the car is red. I need to find the correct answer here. So if I take Saruh and I try put it here, which is the wrong answer, so no, it's not going to accept this. So all right, what about this one? Okay, this is the correct answer, and so on with the rest of them. And there is a timer here to increase the fun of this game. I don't want to make the video too long, otherwise I would have showed you all that. Gravity also is another thing that our students can use. So gravity is even more challenging, because with gravity, if I start okay, it's asking me again, is it all the cards or only the start one? The difficulty level, is it easy or medium or hard? Let us take the easy one. Let's go and start the game again. It is very challenging. It's now this rock has something and I need to form quickly. What does it say here? What is the Arabic equivalent for this one here? Okay, let us go back. I want to show you the last thing here, and that is with the test. The test is really, really excellent in the fact that it gives me lots of options for me as a student to now test myself whether I have been I studied the course or not. Now let's go to options and see how this can help me. Now there are 4 types of questions here: written, matching, multiple choice, and true or false. So I can choose the type of question, and let us choose only the multiple choice. And now I can also control the number of questions that I'm going to be having in the test. So now it's 20, but I can make them, for example, 25. Okay. And I can choose whether I'm going to have the test in all the courses or only the start ones. And again, this is going to help a lot if I need to focus only, say, for example, half the cards I'm fine with, but the other half I'm really weak. So I can do that with the good ones. I can focus my exam on the ones that haven't perfected yet. And answer with, I can control whether the answer is going to be in Arabic or in English. And if the answer is going to be in Arabic, the question will be in English, and vice versa. So now let us create a new test. And now you can see that I'm going to have these are the answers. Now, say I'm going to put here any answers. I'm not going to even to read I'm just random, because I want to show you how the feedback is going to be given. Okay, so random answers. Okay. All right, that's enough, and let us now ask for the result. The result is going to be really bad because we haven't answered most of the questions, but I just wanted to show you now it's 12%. The idea is not with giving the percentage, but the idea that it gives me, yes, what are the correct answers for the wrong ones. So if we go up there and have a look again, now here the first one I have answered the correct answer. Okay. The second one, my answer was wrong, and the correct one here is done with the green, and the wrong one here is in red, and so on and so forth. So it gives a detailed feedback about the answer of the student, in which case the student can keep doing and redoing the exam with different moods, different kinds of questions, till the student is really confident of this set of vocabulary. The good news about this website, it's free. The idea is that when you starting to use it for the first time, it's going to show you like 4 or 5 cards, only four or five cards, and then will ask you to sign in with your Google account. This means it wants you to put your email, the Google email address, and make a password maybe for yourself or something like this, but it's going to still to be a free website for you to use as a student. You don't have to worry about paying anything. Amira Fayza with Fayza capital like this is my account here with lots of sets, and of course all my students are more than welcome to explore all my sets, but usually I would send you the set that is suitable for the course and the level that you're doing, so that I wouldn't confuse you. But if, say, for example, you've done most of what I have sent you or what I have sent you, and you would like to explore more, you are more than welcome to do that. Thank you so much. Please let me know if you need to ask about anything.